Hi everyone, welcome back to Beginner Crochet Series Part 6. In previous episodes, we learned about single crochet, double crochet, and other basics of crochet. Today, we will learn everything about double crochet's twin sister, half double crochet. We will first start with slip knot and foundation chain. As you're watching half double crochet tutorial, I assume you already know how to make slip knot and foundation chains. If you don't, I'll leave the link in the iCard above here for my beginner crochet series where I have explained everything in detail. You can go ahead and watch. So for demonstration, I am making a row of half double crochet with 10 half double crochet. So for that, make 10 chains first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After making 10 chains, we will make 2 extra chains. 1, 2. Because the height of half double crochet is 2 chains. Just to match the height of half double crochet for the first row, we are skipping these 2 chains. For your convenience, I have prepared this sheet which will tell you exactly what is the height of every fundamental chain and how many chains you should skip before starting next row. So take a screenshot of it and keep it as a reference. Say suppose if you want to make 15 half double crochet, then make 15 chains plus 2 turning chain extra. So we will now make our first half double crochet. For that we need to skip 2 chains. So this is not a chain, this is a loop on the hook. So this is your first chain and this is the second chain from the hook. So we will insert our hook into the third chain from the hook. Before that, we need to yarn over once, just like we did in double crochet, and then insert your hook only in the back loop or the top loop of the third chain. Yarn over, tuck your yarn in the throat and slowly pull your yarn through the loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 at once. As the name itself suggests, we are stopping at the halfway of making an actual double crochet. So what we did in an actual double crochet, once we have 3 loops, we pulled through the first 2 and then pulled through the next 2. But here, after inserting, we have 3 loops here. We will yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops at once. This is halfway of making an actual double crochet. After yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook. We yarn over and pull through all the loop at once. We are stopping halfway of making an actual double crochet. So we will move on to the next one. Since you are a beginner, pulling the yarn through all the loop at once is difficult. You can also do this. 1, 2 and 3. One at a time. So if that is easy for you, you can stick with that, or you can straight away pull through all the 3 loops once. You can see this is the end of row 1. To move on to row 2, we will make 2 chains first. Again, these are turning chain just to match the height of the half double crochet for this row. After that, we will turn our work like this. So this was the right side and this was the wrong side till now. But now we will turn our work this way and work this way. After turning your work, yarn over. At the base of these 2 chains, I will show you. These are two chains we just made. At the base, you can see a chain gap here. So, you can see this hole. There, we will make our first half double crochet. I don't consider two chain as my first half double crochet. If you consider two chain as your first half double crochet, you can see these holes here. As we skip one chain, you get holes wherever we skip one chain. So for that reason, to get a sturdier edges, I don't consider two chain as my first half double crochet. So yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, pull through all. So let's count our stitches. This is the two chain we made at the beginning. This is the very first half double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we just need to make one more half double crochet to complete the row. So yarn over once. You can see you need to turn this like this to see both the loops. You can see this V here. So insert your hook in both the loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. So this finishes row 2. For row 3, we will again make 2 chain and turn our work. As usual, at the base of this 2 chain, we have a chain. So there we will make our first half double crochet, second one, and so on this way. Again, once you come to the end of this row 3, we will chain 2 and turn our work and work this way. So it goes like this. So this is how we make half double crochet. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also in our next episode or next part of this series, we will be learning everything about triple crochet. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.